Hey, what's up guys? So I'm super excited today because just a few minutes ago the UPS truck arrived and dropped off my new exhaust that I'll be putting on my Focus ST. It is the Invidia Q300. I'll go more into why I chose this system later, but I'm really excited. I just got done cleaning my wheels off because they were pretty dirty. So I'm going to say goodbye to my custom setup here in a couple minutes because I'm going to the exhaust shop soon. Hopefully they can take care of me today. And yeah, so let's go unbox the exhaust and show you what it looks like. Hey, what's up guys? I am at Auto Mufflers in College Park, Maryland now. Got the car here on the lift and we are about to install the Invidia Q300 exhaust onto my 2015 Ford Focus ST. Big shout out to Auto Mufflers. These guys were the only ones open, and I called them and they responded right away. And from the look of it, got a great shop here and do great work. Can't wait to see the result. Sounds great. What's up guys? So the exhaust is on the car. First of all, a huge shout out to Auto Mufflers out here in College Park, Maryland. These guys really hooked me up. Great price, great work, and super quick work. Awesome dudes. All right, so the exhaust is on the car, like I said. Oh, first things first. It is so smooth sounding. So smooth sounding. Like when I first started up the car, it sounded like a completely different engine was in the car. As some of you know, I had a custom 3-inch exhaust before, which was really loud. Super loud. Super loud in the cabin, everything. And, you know, now, it, like I said, it just sounds almost stock inside of the cabin, which is great. But when you get on it, it sounds amazing. So yeah, I mean, so far I've only backed it out of the shop. So I'll do some driving around and give you guys a more thorough review. But right now, completely satisfied. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with these tips. I'm not sure I really like the color scheme. It might grow on me. I'm not used to having the tips so far in on the bumper. I'm used to having them further out. But I like that they're in because it's not going to put as much soot on my paint. See all that? That's from raw exhaust fuel, basically. So my rear hatch is going to stay so much cleaner now. And as you can see under the car, it's got a muffler, which I didn't used to have. So, you know, that'll be catching a lot of things and keeping the back of the car clean, so I won't have to wipe it off every couple of days. All right, guys, let's see how it sounds. All right, here's what it sounds like on startup. Super mellow, not noticeable at all. I'm gonna rev it a couple times. Whew. Super smooth sound. Super smooth sound. I love it already. Even less vibration, as crazy as that is. My custom exhaust was mounted really weird, so it would vibrate, but this is amazing. What's up, guys? All right, so we're gonna go for a ride really quick down the street so you can hear what the exhaust sounds like. I'm shooting this video with my iPhone 11 Pro, so it's got a pretty good, you know, a decent microphone, so hopefully, you know, it's true to life here. Sorry for any camera shake you get. I do have motor mounts. So the first thing I'll say about this exhaust is that the Invidia Q300 is really mellow and deep, super deep, like nothing but bass. So, you know, as you just heard from that quick acceleration, you didn't really hear anything but the intake and the motor. The exhaust is just kind of in the background, not really all up in your face like my previous exhaust was, which I love. I'm actually like, I feel like I'm shouting right now because I'm used to talking so loud in my car, and now I don't have to. I can hold a conversation. I can hear myself think. It's great. This exhaust is awesome. It's exactly what I've wanted this entire time. You know, an aftermarket system, you know, with its own personality and tone, but not obnoxious. And to me, this is absolutely perfect. For those of you guys with a wife and kids, this is going to be great, because it'll make everybody happy. Damn. Wow. This exhaust is awesome. Wow. That felt great. I would like to say that this might have added some power. Like, definitely torque has increased, in my opinion. Which is, it's kind of natural for torque to increase when you add a little bit of back pressure or restriction to the exhaust. But because the fact that this exhaust is still 3 inches all the way through and free flowing, I feel like torque and horsepower have increased actually. So, it takes a little bit more to get into it. I would say that coming from a straight pipe exhaust to this, the throttle response, the immediate throttle response is not, it's gone down just a little bit, because this exhaust is more restrictive. However, when you get into the power, this exhaust gives you everything. This is awesome. And the good thing is that what a lot of people don't know is that is the good thing about a well-designed and well-engineered exhaust that is made for the engine. It's going to give you the power and the flow and the torque that you need, versus just a hacked together custom setup. So, not to say anything bad about those of you guys out here rocking custom exhausts. I've seen some excellent and great quality custom exhausts out there, but from my experience, and maybe it just has to do with where I was in the shops that I went to, the custom exhaust I had on this car previously does not hold a candle to the Invidia Q300. So overall, I gotta say I'm really happy with how things turned out. I think that the exhaust sounds amazing, and actually from this angle, to me it looks better than the setup I had before. These oval tips and that big muffler, that's gonna grow on me, but I really like it. It's really mellow. It's nowhere close to as loud as my old system. I can actually hear myself think and talk now inside of the car, unlike before. And when I'm driving, all I hear really is the sound of the engine, not so much the sound of the exhaust. So I'm satisfied. I'm really satisfied. Money well spent. Hey, real quick, huge shout out to Invidia, of course, for designing a system for this platform, Focus ST. Great work, great quality, craftsmanship, attention to detail. The fitment was perfect. It went over, how you have the part that arcs over the rear suspension. There were no issues with any of that. The exhaust was put on in like 30 minutes. And then a huge shout out to Chris Bauer and the team over there at Panda Motorworks. Those guys are amazing. This is the third or second time they've come through with the parts. Super quick, super fast shipping, super customer service. So if you need to order any parts for your Focus ST, I highly suggest hitting up Panda Motorworks. Those guys are always on the ball. Tell them I sent you, and they'll get you taken care of. So until next time, keep modding, guys, and I'll see you later.